guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I am back again with another reading. This is not a pick a card reading. This is a you versus them. Okay, you versus them, collective energy. We will see what you are thinking, what your person is thinking, what is happening between you both, what is happening in this connection. We will just check. Okay, this is the energy checking for you versus them. I will take 6 cards for you and I will take 6 cards for them. We will see their energies and your energies, and if required I'll take clarifiers also. So let's see. And before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, and I'm so grateful to all my subscribers who subscribe to my channel and continuously motivating me with the likes and comments. I'm really grateful to all of them, and welcome to new subscribers, and thank you to old subscribers also. Then please note that this is general reading. This may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want personal reading, you can contact me. The contact details are given in the description box. Then if you want any different kind of a reading, you can please write in the comment section so that I can do it in the next time. So recently I have seen one comment saying that will he come back to me? Okay, that kind of a reading one of the viewer asked, and I will be doing, but this is almost the same, you versus them, what is happening, whether that person will come back to you or not. So we will check that also. This is collective reading, everything is will be clarified. Okay, then that's all. I have nothing else to say. So let's see you versus them. What is happening in this connection? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What is happening in this connection? What is happening in this connection? What is happening with both of them? I'm trying to shuffle in different way, but I need more practice. Okay, so Archangels and Spirit Guides, please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. What is happening with the viewer and what is happening with their person? Okay, so we have already got Queen of Cups, the Moon, King of Pentacles in reverse. Now let's take 3 cards for their person. 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 One more card. This is their person's energy. Let's take okay, let's take 2 more cards, then I will take the outcome from the Indian Tarot cards. I'll take later. First let me tell you. Okay, so from your cards, your side, it is Queen of Wands, okay, the Moon card and the King of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, and from your person's side, it is 10 of Cups, 3 of Wands and 8 of Pentacles. Okay, so your sign may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and strongly Pisces, and also I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And your person's side, your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see almost both of them are from fire sign, water sign and earth sign. Okay, any one of these signs you or your person can be. And the dates that can be resonating with you, maybe 3, 10, 8, then 20, 28. Okay, then number 1 also. These number might be your person's birthday or your birthday, or you have met the person. So this can be any of them. Then note down these dates also. If it is resonating, please let me know. Okay, from your side, what is happening is you are a very strong personality, whoever is the viewer here. Very strong personality, very stubborn, very attractive, then intellectual, intelligent, beautiful, then very settled person, maybe in a high power, or this person might be like a little bit age gap is there between you both. And I feel that whoever is feminine here, feminine is elder to masculine. There is age difference is there. So whoever is the viewer is elder to the other person, okay, their partner. Then this whoever is the viewer, they are waiting for their partner. See how this lady is looking at that side. So this lady is waiting, holding the wand. Okay, so this person, whoever is the viewer, they are very, very passionate towards the other person, and they love the other person, and they have so many romantic feelings. And the viewer is kind of impatient right now. The fiery, passionate attraction, so much is there, so many feelings and emotions are there. Even the moon card also shows that there are so many emotions that is not expressed. And the viewer is that kind of a person that you are that kind of a person that you never express your feelings so openly. You take some time, actually. You will take some time to express your feelings. You will be open, you will be talking nicely, hi, bye, on the surface you will talk nicely, but what you are thinking exactly you never tell anybody. Okay, this is kind of a sometimes it may turn it into a deceptive energy. So that means you are not telling, you are not expressing your feelings. Then you are not openly you are not telling that I feel like that, I want you, or I want to marry you, or I want to be with you. So this kind of conversations you will never have, you will never tell anybody, okay, your partner especially. So you will be very reserved, very decent, and you love the other person, but you are not telling the way you are feeling and the way you have feelings towards the other person. Then the moon card also says that you are very secretive. You are not telling your secrets. There are some secrets in your life that you are not sharing with the other person. Okay. Then in general you are secretive. Okay, you will not you hide your emotions, and sometimes you like somebody chases you. So you feel like somebody should chase me. Why should I chase? I have so much power. I have so much money, or you might be rich also. Whoever is the viewer, I can feel that this person is very rich, and and I can see that this viewer only is delaying whatever is happening here, whatever is happening in this connection. This viewer is the reason, because you are not telling, you are not taking a step ahead. You are like stubborn, sitting on your throne. See, two cards came here, king and queen. Okay, queen of wands and king of pentacles. So you are very much into your power, you want to show your power, but at the same time you are a very responsible person. You are definitely a responsible person, but you have a problem with your partner, whoever is viewing. The person might be younger to you. You feel that this person is little younger than how this relation can work. Okay, this is one set of viewers. Then second set of viewers, they are already married. Okay, they already married because king and queen is in the one same set, same spread. Okay, so now the king is in reverse position. That means that you both are separated. You and maybe this is your ex. So this person is separated from you. Then there are so many hidden things in your life that you are not sharing with anybody. You are keeping it in yourself, and lot of emotions are there, lot of hurt feelings are there. Actually, your past is not so easy. You have struggled a lot, and you have faced a lot. You might have faced so many insults and struggles, but right now you are in a very great position. Okay, and the person king of pentacles, whoever you are dealing with, this person is not with you right now. Okay, you are in no contact, no communication, and you have separated. And for some of them you have divorced also, and you are in the age, you are little bit older. Okay, now coming to your partner, whoever you are viewing for, here also two type of things are there. Okay, for some people it is that this person wants to have marriage with you, want to have family with you, want to have children with you. Okay, this person is very much in love with you, because 10 of cups is a very, very positive card in any reading. Okay, so you can see here, hope you can see the cards. Okay, so for some of you, this person is he wants to have a family with you, want to have a love marriage, and want to have children. He wants the long-term commitment. And next, this person is away from you, long distance relationship, and this person is waiting for you, waiting for a sign or signal from you, or waiting for your communication, and he is holding the wand, holding your connection very strongly. He is not leaving this connection. Whoever is your partner is not leaving. He is not he or she is not ready to give up this connection. This person is holding the wand so tightly that he wants to come back, and at the same time he is very sad because there is no communication in between both of you. Then this person is very, very sad and depressed, and he is waiting. You can see in this card, he has turned away his face because he is not clear what to do, what action should I take. So this person is actually he tried all ways and means to contact you, or he tried to reconcile with you, because you both are not in talking terms. But this person is desperate to meet you, but at the same time he lost hopes also. Now what he is doing? He is working on his pentacles. That means he is working on his finance, money, because you are very strong, you are rich, and your lifestyle is different. You are like a king or a queen. Okay, so this person want to have, maybe this person is not that rich, maybe this person is not that wealthy. So this person is working on his pentacles, and it is about to finish. Only one pentacle is there down, you can see in this picture. So this person is working on his finance, money. Okay, so this person might be building a business also. Okay, so this person want to work on his money. Right now this person is not thinking about you. Earlier he was thinking, then he didn't have any choice. I mean, he didn't have anything to do to meet you. So this person started working on his finances. Then he started building up the his finance and money and bank balance and all. This person is working hard right now. Okay, this is for some of you. For some of you, this person is already married, and he has children also from the other person, but he had a happy family. But something happened, and then everything was something happened, and he is away from the partner. That means he is having options also. You can see 3 wands here. So he has option also, but still this person is holding on to you. He has held the wand very tightly. That means definitely this person want to have a commitment with you, long-term relationship with you. But after that, what happened? This person cannot do anything because he is not able to come out of this third party relationship because he has children. So that means he has to go through legal battle, divorce, then so many things are there. So he is not ready to, he has no option right now. He's blocked. He's waiting. He's long distance. He can't come and run towards you. So this person is waiting. Then at the same time, this person is working on his job, business, money. Okay. So this is for some of you. Let's see. So let's pull some more cards for this collective. What is happening between you? Okay, this is collective. 10 of Wands. 10 is very prominent, friends, in your reading. So October month might be very prominent, or 10 might be your person's or your birthday or the day you met, or maybe you met in the month of October. So there are so many meanings for this. Okay, this is the current position. Okay, you both are feeling burdensome. This is 10 of Wands reverse. Okay, now you are not able to bear the burden and you left it. Okay, so now both of you are not taking any action in this connection. Both of you are waiting on each other, both of you missing each other, then both of you crying, sad, painful, very much sobbing. Then long distance, looking at each other in social media. You don't have any other option to contact. Maybe some people blocked each other and they lost their contact for some of them. Okay, so this person and you, both of you actually, very sad. And from your side, you are like feeling very burdened. The viewer, whoever is seeing this reading, so the viewer is feeling, you are feeling that it is very burdensome, so much I should take care, so many responsibilities are there on my shoulder. So you are like almost give up this connection, you are almost ready to give up. And the other person at the same time, that person is not ready to give up. That person is very sad, painful. He wants to come towards you, but don't know how. Because he is long distant. He cannot come running towards you. Okay. So this person is thinking and thinking. He can't sleep. And some of them might be in a very bad situation, health problems. Okay. So this is a very painful separation for you both. Okay. Then let's see. What could happen in future? Will they reconcile? Okay, we got the outcome card as Knight of Swords. Okay, definitely you both are very much depressed and you have suffered for maybe months or weeks, or maybe for very few of them years also. You both are into very separation, and you both are feeling this gap between you both. You both are feeling that pain, that pull actually, the attraction towards each other. You are definitely feeling that. And now the Knight of Swords came. So now you don't want to think about anything. You don't want to think about past. You don't want to think about future. You want to just run and take an action. You can see this card, Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords means very, very fast moving energy. You can see the horse also, how fast it is running, and with the sword. That means you both are ready for the battle. So whatever happens, let's see. Maybe you are married, or that person is married. Maybe that person is having children. From your side, I can't see any children, but from other side, maybe this person have children, and you both are like coming towards you aggressively. You want to sit face to face, and maybe this communication might not be very pleasant at the first. When you both meet each other, so always you both might be little small fight. Why did you do this? Why did you leave me? Or why did you block me? Okay. But the communication will happen. This person want to come towards you, or you might unblock him or her, and you both will come. Communication is very strong as outcome. Okay, so you both are like suffered a lot. Now you are feeling that okay, we'll cut this crap, whatever it is, say whether it works out or not, I don't care, but I want to clear my mind because I'm feeling so much painful, so much pain, regret, pain. So I don't want this to happen to me. So you and your person both are thinking like this. So now you both are ready to communicate. Earlier you both were not ready. Maybe you have the circumstances or like that, but you want to cut all the difficulties, all the problems, and you want to come towards each other. Okay, then let's see outcome card from Sacred Indian Tarot also. What is happening in this connection? And definitely this person will come towards you. See, Temperance. That means you both need balance in this connection. Okay, so both of you should give equally. Both of you should do equal give and take in this connection. Okay, earlier maybe that person was giving you more and you were not opening up and you were deceptive. But this time you have to be open. You have to give equally. Okay, you can see Temperance also says that you both are like have each other's half. It is kind of a soulmate card also, and it also shows the Temperance. Yes, it also shows the it is Sagittarius. We will pull one more card. And this is also says that Temperance also says that you will have balance in future, because this person is coming towards you and you will unblock or you will say, and what you will do, you both will manifest this connection, because the Magician came. So you both will manifest this connection. Both of you will work hard in this connection. Then you will get the balance. But I can definitely see that communication, whatever will happen in between you, that might not be so pleasant. Be ready for that. Maybe you are, because you both look like you both are a little bit short-tempered or hot-headed. So you both might have little bit small fight. It is not a very big fight or something, but definitely you will come into union, because 10 of Cups card is there. This person definitely want to marry you and you are not ready till now. Maybe after this communication, after this meeting, you will accept this person and you both will have the balance in your connection and you will manifest each other. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If it resonates with you, please post in the comment box. Okay, that's all I have for you. Okay, until next reading. Bye.